It's okay, buddy. It's just your pocket. It's over there. Oh, wait, Mommy, that points at me, right? Can I hold it for a second so I can get you a mask? You guys want to go under? A little bit. Here, look at me. Michael. Baby fish, baby fish.
Oh, I can barely see the bottom there.
Yeah.
No. I don't look like a weeb.
Wait, hold on, Mommy. Can I try it? Here, I'll pass this back to you. Well, you can use it while you're underwater. It's an underwater
Here,
camera.
you want to hold it while I...
Not miss that part. About to
Yeah, I know. Your mom's got my mask now. Hey, buddy. Come on, let's go. Go look at look at the baby! They kind of just reflect and look like... I still get marked every time. It was? Yes. Yeah. Oh, you did. Oh, yeah? Oh, really? What do you think I'm doing?
vinegar, water on it.
They're only little, like, this.
Everything.
It'll make
Oh, I should burn it.
The Florida chickens can pee on you.
No, I gotta do that. I don't know how I'm gonna get hold of that. I'm on fire. I gotta get out.
Pee on
I'm
him.
fucking burning. Everything's burning. Look.
Yeah, he's mad.
It got my finger and
Where were you?
right over there. I'd be weary. This fucking hurts, guys.
Alright.
I'm in like a severe amount of pain.
Alright, let's go this way. Daddy ran into a jellyfish.
Yeah, dude, look at this.
Yeah, no, we definitely Michael!
Alrighty.
How are you doing? What? How did you get done?
I don't know. Apparently he found a jellyfish.
Come on, baby.
I don't know how he did that.
I don't know.
Soap and water. Alright, we're gonna have to go. We gotta go.
Because we can't have you get stoned.
Because we can't have you get stoned and Daddy's gonna be stoned. Watch the man.